What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Click to Unbox. My name is Zach. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Air Jordan 1 Mid-Cut Special Edition Satin Smoke Gray sneakers. So I got these because I really like the way that they look. They look super clean, just a plain gray, black, white look. So let's get right into it. You clicked, so I'm going to unbox these shoes. Box. All right, gold Jordan logo. Let's see these. I'll let you guys see them before I see them. Ooh, these are so clean. I really enjoy this. They call it a satin smoke gray colorway. It's almost like a shiny smoke gray, which I like. Also has the toe of the shoe is gray. White tongue. I got these because honestly they were super cheap. I got them for $130 on the GOAT app, which you can also get. I'm going to leave the link to these exact shoes in the description. Yeah, I got these because I wanted some Jordans that were just black, gray, white, just a plain color that you can wear with basically anything. One thing I did just notice about these shoes, the black color is almost like a soft plush like feel. It's not leather, which is kind of different. I really like that actually. It makes them kind of unique, even more unique. I really like this gray. For some reason, this gray just stands out with the white and the black. The gray swoosh with the white background looks really good in my opinion. I really like these. These were cheap too. I mean, if you want a pair of Jordans that look high quality, just a good pair of Jordans. $130 is pretty cheap. I like these for the price and what you're paying. This is super high quality. Once again, GOAT delivered. I got next day shipping. I literally ordered these yesterday and here we are today unboxing them. So it's pretty cool. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel. We are close to 1,000 subscribers. Maybe you could be the 1,000th subscriber if you want. If you like the video, or if not, don't leave a like, leave a comment what you think about these shoes. What other shoes maybe you think I could unbox? Yeah, it's not much to these shoe unboxing videos. There's not much to talk about. I mean, just unboxing and showing the shoes. Other than just praising again how good GOAT is, how quick these got here. Yeah, that's about it. GOAT delivered again, as always. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe, comment. If you would like to let me know how I did. Yeah, until next time. You clicked, I unboxed. See you later.